Good morning, children. Okay. Again, today discuss about surface area and values, cube and cuboid. Part 2. Part 3. So, in earlier classes, we completely discussed about the volume of cuboid, total surface area of a cuboid, and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay, already we discussed. So, here what about cube? Okay, cuboid discussed already. Total surface area, lateral surface area, and volume of cuboid we discussed. So what about cube means? So here one small concept. So what is the difference between cube and cuboid, you know? Okay, this is a just a cuboid box. Okay, actually this one is length, this one is breadth, this one is height. Okay, here small thing, what is the difference between cube and cuboid means? In cuboid, 3 dimensions are different. So in cuboid, 3 dimensions are different. So that length L is not equal to breadth and breadth is not equal to height. So here length, breadth, height is 3 different dimensions. That is a cuboid. So what about cube means? Here there are 3 dimensions is there. That is length, breadth, height. The 3 dimensions are equal. For example, length is equal to 4 centimeters means here just we have assumed length is 4 centimeter means breadth is also a 4 centimeters. And height is also a 4 centimeters. If length is equal to 6 centimeters means breadth is also 6 centimeters and height is also a 6 centimeters. So here in a cube all dimensions are equal. Means length is equivalent to breadth and breadth is also equivalent to height. So that L length is equivalent to B, breadth is equivalent to height. Means here 3 dimensions are equal in cube. So we discussed about volume of the cube. Already we discussed about volume of the cuboid means we have to multiply 3 dimensions. Means L into B into H means the volume of the cuboid is for LPH. Here is also we have to do it same. We have to multiply 3 dimensions. That is length into breadth into height. But length is equal, breadth is equal height. Understood? So here length is equal to, so therefore volume of a cuboid, volume of cube is equal length into breadth into height actually. And then we have to multiply with 3 dimensions. L into B into H. But here what we like, length is equal to breadth is equal to height means 3 dimensions are equal. So length is equal, breadth is equal to height is equal, we have to assume let A. Why? Because 3 dimensions are equal. So L is equal, B is equal to H. 3 dimensions are equal. So this dimension is equivalent to just A units. So that L is equal to what? A into B is equal to A into H is equal to A. So A into A means A cube. We have to take S. S into S means S cube. Whatever means. Understood? Therefore, the volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Therefore, volume of a cube is equal. What is the formula? A cube. Now let us discuss about total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. Here again same, we have to just revise your previous class. We have to already find what is total surface area and what is lateral surface area in cuboid. So here both cube and cuboid, both lateral surface area and total surface area same. There is a small difference. What is the small difference means? We have to calculate total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid means there are three different dimensions. Here we have to calculate about total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube means here three dimensions are equal. That is the small difference between cube and cuboid. Okay, let us discuss about total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of cube. Same, we have to just revise your previous classes. Everything is same, but there is small difference. What is that small difference means? There are three dimensions are different. Now here three dimensions are equal. That is the important concept. Remaining part are same. Okay, so we have to take again one cube box, one cube box. This is top and this one is bottom. So this is length, this one is breadth, this is height. Okay. Again same, we have to cut any corner of this cuboid. Means this is just like a open format. We have to draw open format of cube. How to open cube box? We have to cut any corner, then we will open it easily. Okay? We have to cut any part of this corner. Means okay, this is the open format of the cube box. So here these are the faces. Face 1 cuboid. We are assuming how many faces actually? 1, 2, 3, 4 faces, top and bottom. So face 1, face 2, face 3 and face 4, and this is one top face and bottom. Okay. So again we have to calculate these all areas and add it. We get total surface area of a cube. So for example, this is how many faces here in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So what is the shape of these 6 faces? So this is the rectangular shape or triangular shape. In previous class we discussed about cuboid. Cuboid is 3 dimensions are different. So that is each and every face is in the shape of rectangle. But here 1, 2, 3, 4 faces is there. Top and bottom is there. These faces are equivalent to similar to which faces? Square faces. Square faces means what is the formula or what is the area of a square? So area of a square is equal side into side. Means L into B means both are same. Length and breadth is same. So side into side. Side into side means side is square. Okay. So here the length L means length. So we are assuming A units. B L is equal to B. Okay now. This is length is equal to A units and breadth is also A units. Why? Because L is equal to B, B is equal to H. All dimensions are equal. So this is also A units. Again this one is A. Last this one is also A units. What is height? Height is also same. H is L is equal to B is equal to H. Height is also A units. This one is also A units. This one is also A units. Understood? Okay. So next we have to calculate area of a square. Means this is first square box, this one is second square box, third square box, fourth square box, this one is fifth square box, last one, this one is sixth square box. Okay, therefore area of first square plus area of second square plus area of third square plus area of fourth square plus area of fifth square plus area of sixth square. Okay, what is the area of a square? L into B. But here L is equal to B. Means side into side. Means a side square. We are to area of a first square is equal to A into A. Understood? Plus area of a second square is also A into A. Area of a third square also A into A. Area of a fourth square also A into A. Area of a fifth square also A into A. Last one, area of a sixth square also A into A. A into A means A into A. A square, not A into A to A. That is addition. So A into A means A square. Again A into A means A square. Plus 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 again A into A means A square. Here how many A squares? 1 A square, 2 A, 1 A square, 1 A square, 1 A square, 1 A square, 1 A square. We have to add this complete A squares means 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6 A square. This is the formula of total surface area of a cube is equal to TS. The total surface area of cube is equal to 6 A square. Okay, so last topic of this chapter, lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of cube means lateral surface area of a cube means we have to calculate only this 1, 2, 3, 4 square areas. We have to remove top and bottom. Why should we have to remove top and bottom? We have to calculate only lateral surface area. Understood? So that we have to remove top and bottom means again with this is a cube box. This one is length, this one is breadth, this one is height. 3 dimensions are equal. So L is equal to B is equal to H. Okay? So L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to we have to assume A units. Understood? So again we have to make any corner. Okay? We have to draw open format after this cuboid same as it is. Okay? This one square box, 2 square box, 3 square box, and the last one is 4th square box. So here we need not to calculate top and bottom. Why? Because we have to calculate lateral surface area of a cube. Okay? So we need not to calculate top and bottom means here this is the first A square area, second square area, third square area, and the 4th square area. Okay? This is A units, A units, A units, A units. Height is also A units. Understood? So again we have to calculate 4 areas of a square. We get lateral surface area of a cube. Okay? Area. So area of first square plus area of second square plus area of third square plus area of fourth square. So what is the area of a first square? Side into side. What is side? All sides are equal now. A into A plus second area of a square A into A plus third area of a square is equal A into A. Fourth area of a square is equal A into A is equal a into a means a square, again a into a means a square, plus a into a means a square, plus a into a means a square. So add 1a square, 2a square, 3a square, 4a square. This is the 4a square. Therefore, lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4a square. Okay, this is completely our chapter surface area in valence cube and cuboid. Just revised within 2 minutes. So cuboid, what is the value of a cuboid? L into b into h. What is total surface area of a cuboid? Means 2 bracket of LB plus BH plus HL. What is lateral surface area of a cuboid? 2H bracket of L plus B. This is about regarding about cuboid. So we have to take cube. Cube means what is the value of a cube is a cube. So what is total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. So what is lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square. Okay. Thank you, children.